This is Mamta Mallicha. Happy evening to everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the book Coffee Can Investing. In this book, Shaurav Mukherjee explains coffee can portfolio, how we can and use this method to keep that securities for a longer period of time by compounding effect, how we can earn money through investing in this securities. So the key learnings of this books are: first, he talks about three objectives, that is security, stability, and ambitions. For security, it helps to secure its money. Is whatever we invest, it helps to secure in futures. It helps that if you have a small savings, if you invest in securities, it will help you to grow your money. So this is useful for your emergency purpose. In this pandemic situation, if we invested money in the investment, we can grow. We have grown the money. So in this time also, that stock market operates, and it help to earn your money. So first in security, this investment help you as a security for helping in your future, and it is also used in for your emergency expenses. Next, stability, it will help you in the improvement in your standard of living. In this book, he describes how we earn investment, and it is used as a earning for the future. It helps to increase the standard of living, and if we can grow ourselves much better when we grow ourselves by keeping that savings and investment and invest in good securities. So we will see that growth for a longer period of time. Next is ambition. This coffee can portfolio, it help you to achieve your dreams, and it will also help you in the money for your what you want in life, that is your bucket list. And if you want to be wealthy, we can grow from this coffee can investing method by using this method in our life. So coffee can investing is how this name came is in America. The people like we have that box for putting the kids have that box to save the savings. So in that same thing, in the America, they put the money in the coffee can to save the savings in that can. So when they want, they take out that they will take out that can, and they take the money from that. In India, we use that small pots, and we put the money, and when we want, we take it out. But in America, they use this coffee can to save the money, and they used to take it out when they want. So this is how this coffee can has started. And coffee can investing is you should invest in good companies, good strategy company, good companies, and we should buy that script, and we should forget for almost 10 years. After 10 years, you will see how the money grows. We will see that. So he is telling to select the good 15 or 20 scripts of good companies, like Reliance, Tata Motors. We have different companies. Select 15 or 20 companies from that good list of companies, and put your investment that time, and forget it for 10 years. After 10 years, you will see that compound effect of your money. You will see the lot of money you have with yourself for your future. So he is telling to select the good companies and keep it for a longer period of time. And he also explains about to buy a shares good strategy companies. And he says he has to say that in your non-financial firm or in your financial firm, the market capitalization should be above 10 crore, and ROCE, this should be return of equity, like it should be above 15%, and revenue of growth should be above 10 percentage. If these strategies satisfied in the company or financial firm, and a non-financial firm, market capitalization should be above 100 crores, and the ROCs should be above 15 percentage, and loan growth will be around 15% for the last 10 years. These are the strategies he says to look after before buying your company and invest that script for a longer period of time. So after this, we have already seen that what are the objectives of investment. We already seen about the coffee can and how it works, and we are going to see how we can make the coffee can portfolio. So in this coffee can portfolio, we are going to see for the young age, they can have the most of the stocks in equity. At the older age, they can see the four things. They can they can invest in mutual funds where fund manager or holds the account, and in the coffee can shares portfolio, where he suggests companies and forget it for a few years, and you will get the benefit of that compounding effect. And large cap index fund, where you can see that in the stock exchanges is this large cap index fund, so you can invest in that securities. And you should these are the tips should be below above six older ages. So these are the things you can invest. You can also invest in good scripts of the equity. So in this book, he describes that the one thing he says that by investing in good securities and keep it for a longer period of time, it will show a compounding effect, and it will show a good growth in your company. For me, I buy Reliance at the price of 800 in the past 2016 I have that shares. Now it's the price is 2000, because I this is the one of the good company which I chose, but I never sell that shares of that company. But I have that large amount of shares Reliance now, and I'm going to keep it for a longer period to see that the growth of capital I'm going to get from it. So I choose that right stock and I invest in a right time, so I can get, and I forget about, I didn't touch that stock itself still, so I forget that stock, but for a few years, but I will see that revenue at the last of the after 10 years, whereby target time. So this is how we should analyze the company. We should learn that we should read. If you go into the stock market, there is a fundamental and technical analysis. So fundamental analysis is generally tells about the company, about the P&L, about the what is the net profit, what is their balance sheet, and how the company works, and what are the annual report, who are the promoters, how they involve. That is a calls where the company discuss about how they proceed. So these are how this fundamental analysis we are going to learn about the company, and we can take some strategy for us. So if you want to invest in your stock market, if you want to do the investment, we have to choose the right strategy for us. I know one of my friend, he has this particular strategy. He believe more in fundamental than in technical, but he choose at the right time, and he buy a lot of shares, and he is earning a good money now. So start having that right strategy of yourself, analyze yourself, read. If you want to good and fundamental analysis, you will read more of news, how this company goes, how this company is doing, any news any new project they are landing up, anything. We have to more about of this about we learn about the company. So whenever either you take fundamental or technical analysis to invest in the stock, but create your own strategy. That is the main important for yourself. Each one has a different strategy for their investment. You analyze yourself, you go through with different sources, you go through with different material, read materials, go through this company histories, go through the companies, how they perform, go through the charts, how they work towards the past few 10 years, what they did, how they come up, how the company went. It's all about how we analyze ourselves and we make our own strategy, that which strategy we follow to buy that shares. And this book is I've read almost half of the book, but this book really describes about how we can use this coffee can portfolio, how we can use this in coffee can investing method to choose the right stays and the right strategy, and how to get a better return in the future. It's all like so it's all the people where Warren Buffett also has the same strategy, that he says that we should not take that when the market is also down, but we should not take that amount on that period because of we feel that risky. No, we should see how it goes, we should take some steps to study about it, then we have to just hold it, then we have to know where we can sell, but we know what is the right strategy we have to apply in ourselves. Because someone told you, or someone you can ask what I can invest, don't do that. Choose your right strategy, choose your right script, and invest in that stocks. When you do as an investor, you will really get more of benefit of that investment. Saving is really be needed in this world, so we have to save ourselves, we have to invest ourselves in good securities. If you can't able to do in stock market, you can put the mutual funds. That is, mutual fund is where you have different funds where the fund manager manages your fund, and they have some year, like 1 year, 5 years, 3 years, that we cannot touch that fund. So these have different categories of mutual funds, so you can invest in this also. He is really, I watch his series, is really very interesting, and you can also follow him. And this book really give you a lot of outlook how you can make the investment in your future and have a good growth in your money. So this is my learning, and I want to share it with you all. So thank you guys, thank you for giving me an opportunity giving me an opportunity to work on myself. Thank you so much. But please have your savings and start investing. When you invest, you see that growth in your money in the future. So when you grow your money, you grow your wealth, you grow your life. So by growing money, we need to grow our money by taking a small step towards our savings in our day-to-day life, and we kept investing in these funds by analyzing with the proper strategy, and we have to put that right strategy, and we have to work ourselves to grow the money in the future. Thank you guys, thanks a lot, bye.